Hello scientists, welcome back to another experiment for Science at Home. Today we are going to do something very amazing because we are going to explode things. Yes, we are. We're going to show two explosions that occur because of reactions. One is going to be a physical reaction and one is going to be a chemical reaction. Now, you might just want to watch these ones. You don't have to recreate them at home, but if you want to, I'll explain how to do it as well. I hope you really like exploding things today. Oh my goodness, that was fun. Now I'm going to tell you something. That was a 1 litre Diet Coke container, and we're going to do it again in a 2 litre one and a different method of putting the Mentos in. But before I show you, there's some things you need to know about that Diet Coke bottle. It needs to be Diet Coke, not Coke or a diet soda, and I'll explain why later. It needs to be not flat, so don't open it too early. It needs to be warm, not cold, because reactions happen faster with warmer liquid. And also, plastic works better than a glass bottle. Aspartame, which is the stuff in the diet soda, actually breaks the surface tension of the water. So the really dense Mentos sink to the bottom quicker and make the reaction faster and bigger. 2, there's carbon dioxide bubbles in the soft drink. And when we put the Mentos in there, it makes more carbon dioxide bubbles, pushing it right up to the top of the bottle. And there's so many bubbles getting bigger and bigger that they pour right out of it. And that's what creates that big geyser, which is that tall tower of water. Oh, not water, Coke. That's why if your drink, your soda, your soft drink has gone flat, it's not going to work. We need the carbon dioxide bubbles in the drink to make the reaction work. So it's a physical reaction. Mentos go in, more carbon dioxide bubbles, gets bigger, explodes up out. A physical reaction. Let's watch the 2 litre one with my special device for putting all the Mentos in at the same time.
Show you that plain carbonated water doesn't work. You really need to use Diet Coke or diet soda. Nothing much really happens at all. Not much of a reaction at all, is it?
Since we're having so much fun, let's move on to the second one, which is the explosion made by a chemical reaction. For this one, we need an acid and a base. The acid is vinegar. The base is baking soda. And what do you think will happen when they combine together and chemically react? I'll give you a hint. Let's watch.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together. Let's be the best together.
Were you right? Did you work out why it happened? Because acids and bases combine and make a chemical reaction. This time, the acid and the base combine to make our old favourite gas, carbon dioxide, which makes bubbles, and that made them rise up and foam out. The little bit of dishwashing liquid helped it to be a bit foamier. And if you could feel the baking soda when it was mixed with the water, it was like a slurry, which is kind of like almost like mud but a bit more liquid. It's amazing, and it actually gave off a bit of a smell too. Let's watch it again. Science is almost like magic, isn't it? So much fun.